A very warm greetings to everyone. My name is Renu Chatterjee. I am a research scholar in Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management, MD University, Rohtak. Today I am giving one of the presentation over a topic which says emerging new trends in hospitality marketing. In hospitality marketing, as we all know, the trend has been changed, and being in a hospitality area, lots of new thing has been added to satisfy the customer, to engage the customer, as well as to enhance the capability of that particular organization. So I'll start my topic with the meaning of hospitality marketing. So, as you can see, hospitality marketing is centered on thinking about the business in terms of customer needs and their satisfaction. Hospitality marketing takes a place at how different sector of the hospitality, that is accommodation, food, drink, tourism, travel, develop marketing strategies to promote their business. Very true. Hospitality marketing is actually centered to think and to understand about the need of the customer. And when we are talking about hospitality, so hospitality includes accommodation, fooding, drink, tourism and travel, and marketing strategies are actually going to develop these products to enhance the requirement of the customer, as well as they are able to engage lots of customer to the particular organization. Next one is the objectives of hospitality marketing. As you can see, there are some objective also of each and every activity. So marketing also have some of the objective in place of hospitality. Increase repeat customer by 20% per year. This is the foremost, the primary requirement of any of the hospitality marketing, that they want to increase at least 20% of their customer by per year, and decrease customer acquisition cost by 5% per year. Very true. The decrease acquisition customer are going to be increased by 5% if the marketing strategies are apt and they are going to influence lots of customer. Next one, I'm going to learn about the emerging trends of hospitality marketing. That is, first one is personalization marketing. Personalization marketing is actually allowing companies to deliver individualized content to target customer through the use of automation technology and data collection. The goal of personalization marketing is to engage potential customer by communicating with them as individuals. For hotels and tour operators, it's important to personalize their service for their guests and clients through target emails. For example, targeted emails can be sent to potential customers whenever an upcoming discount is offered by the travel agency or hotel. So this is one of the personalized marketing, when you are receiving emails, text messages that is personalized and one on one. Each and individual customer is getting these kind of messages, emails about the new packages of that particular hospitality industry, new you can say the discount offers they are offering, or new product they are launching. So the personalized marketing is taking place there. The next trend is voice search. Very true. The voice search has become one of the new generation web user. Whenever we want anything, what we are using the voice search engine, which is all the Android phones and smartphones are having. So with this particular voice search equipment, with this particular voice search technology, what we are doing, we are actually providing a new kind of marketing strategy, a new kind of marketing trends to the hospitality industry, which is actually very much helpful for a customer to search out about any of the product in the market. Next one is customer experience marketing. Customer experience marketing is very much required in this competitive world. What we are doing is, in the customer experience marketing, basically the Google review we are seeing. So the customers are actually giving their reviews, they are giving their ratings about the particular organization, about the particular services, and they are going to identify that how the service is being liked by that particular customer, and with those reviews the other customers who are actually planning to get that service, they are going to take their own decisions. So customer experience is actually one of the market where you are not doing anything. Your customer who has actually consumed your services, they have experienced your services, they are getting more customers for you. Next one is artificial intelligence. Very true. And the artificial intelligence influence would be there, not in the marketing field, even though the whole hospitality function. With the help of artificial intelligence, lots of work has become easy. The work has become effective, even though the work has been more, you can say, efficient. In comparison of humans, artificial intelligence are actually making more efficient work, which is actually going to influence the customer as well as satisfy the customer. Last one is says influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is the fast becoming a great opportunity for hospitality marketer to remain relevant in a high competitive industry. Influencer marketing is a digital version of traditional word of mouth for increasing hotel brand awareness and generating direct booking. By using the strategy, you can reach a much larger audience and attract more customer to your hotel or travel business through credibility and trust building among the customers. This is it for my presentation. Thank you so much.